Uusad na sa hearing proper ang ikatlo at ika-apat na impeachment complaints laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte kasunod ng pagpapasya ng House Justice Committee kanina.
The Chair declares the third impeachment complaint, the fourth impeachment complaint is declared sufficient in grounds.
May nagtangkang kumontra.
We should have determined the sufficiency in ground before we voted for sufficiency in form and substance.
We need to provide him a copy of the rules. Again, the proceeding before the Justice Committee, Honorable Marcoleta, is summarized into 5. And you can confirm this from the rules of impeachment adopted by the 20th Congress. 1 is form, 2 is substance, 3 is ground, 4th is hearing proper, and 5th is the determination of probable cause. After that, we go to the plenary.
Basahin po natin yung rules para hindi po tayo nalilito at nang sa ganun po ay maiwasan po natin yung mga tanong na maliwanag naman po sa ating rules.
Isinusulong na grounds o basehan ng dalawang reklamo ang culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption, bribery, and other high crimes. Kabilang sa mga alegasyon ang umano'y maling paggamit ng bise ng kanyang confidential funds, umano'y di maipaliwanag na yaman, at umano'y pagbabanta sa buhay ng Pangulo. Sa Consolidated Verified Answer ad Cautelam ni Duterte, pinulaan niya ang komite saan niya'y double standard nito sa pagtalakay ng impeachment complaints laban sa kanya at kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Hindi ito gaanong tinalakay ng komite dahil hindi naman daw isa-isang sinagot ang mga alegasyon.
It alleges violation of due process and failure to state ultimate facts. And these are matters which should not be addressed to the Justice Committee. This should be addressed to the Supreme Court via a petition. I maintain the position that the committee observed the necessary requirement of due process. As a matter of fact, the filing of answer is part of due process.
Nakatakda sa March 25 ang unang araw ng hearing proper. Ayon kay Luistro, bibigyan ng notice si Duterte at ang mga complainant para humarap sa komite.